Getare Farm. This is Getare Farm. We thank God that we have this river because it supplies water in our farm. You see? Yes, someone can even take a bath here to connect with nature, man. You see? It comes from that upside, flowing this down way all the way. But now these are our arrowroots here. You see? And bananas are too many. These are all arrowroots to the far end. And up there is where the pineapples start. All the way. As you can see, we have intercropped. We have hass, and then in between we have the passion fruit.